today I want to talk about understanding percentages and kind of doing this by the seat of my pants, which I think is sort of how I do all of it. I did very little prep on this.
Yeah.
But what I did do was take the time to draw out 100 pennies. So I hope you appreciate this because that took a while.
Aww.
I know. All right, so some people have a little trouble understanding or conceptualizing what percentages are. But essentially everyone in the United States is familiar with the fact that $1 equals 100 pennies, 100 cents. And lots of other currencies are similar. In England, they have 100 pence to the pound, 100 centavos to the peso in Mexico. Anyway, so most currencies are similar to this. So if we talk about, say, 10% of $1, that's 10 parts out of 100. %, or 10 100ths, would equal 10 pennies out of the 100 pennies, out of the dollar. Maybe the simplest, easiest way to conceptualize percentages. If we talk about 20%, I gotta erase this line without erasing my pennies. A lot of time making those. 20% equals 20 100ths, or 20 out of 100, or 20 out of the 100 pennies that make the dollar. 20% of a dollar is 20 cents. There you go. How about 25%? Nope, that's wrong. That's 15. Hold on. We'll edit this out later. We will edit this, right? Like we did the last one?
Oh, yeah, we totally edit the videos.
Totally.
We don't just fly by the seat of our pants.
Be quiet. All right, there's 25. So, $25% of a dollar would be 25 cents, or 25 100ths, 25 out of 100 equal parts, or 1/4. I mean, these are equivalent fractions. If we reduce or simplify this fraction as far as we can, it gets to 1/4 and or 1/4, and it's no accident that we call a coin that's worth 25 cents a quarter dollar. Very careful on my pennies. Guess I'll leave the dollar there for now. But yeah, when we talk about percentages, we're talking about parts out of 100, equal parts. Per cent, cent being Latin for 100, per means for every or for each. So many per every 100. Your car might travel at so many miles per hour, 60 miles per hour. That means if you drive at that rate of speed for 1 hour, how far will you drive? Well, you'll drive 60 miles because you're driving 60 miles for every hour. And maybe if you've got a car that gets pretty good fuel economy, you'll get 40 miles per gallon. If you drive 40 miles, you burn 1 gallon because it's 40 miles per 1 gallon. Well, percentages, 65% equals 65 for every 100. 65 per 100, 65 hundredths. So 65% is just another way of writing 65 hundredths, or 0.65. I hope you can see that.
Yeah, I think so.
But they all mean the same thing. And you can conceptualize them, you can visualize them thinking about pennies if you want. That's fine. But percentages are just fractional pieces out of 100 equal pieces. A number out of 100 equal pieces, equal parts. Every once in a while you'll get this is more advanced stuff. You get something like 11.5%. 11 and a half parts out of 100, which would be like 11 of these pennies and then half of another one. Usually we don't cut pennies in half, so the metaphor breaks down there a little bit. But for even numbered percent or whole number percentages, 11% or 12%, you might think of 11 or 12 pennies out of $1, 11 or 12 cents. Something like, I don't know, 47% of $1 equals 47 hundredths of $1 equals 0.47 dollars. And another way you'll see that written is like that, 47 cents. Well, if you ever wondered about this, it's written this way because we're talking about 47 hundredths of $1. $0.47 is 47 cents. Got a fly in here somewhere. Does that cover it? Have I done it to death?
That covers understanding them, yeah.
Okay.
Not doing math with them.
Well, no, not doing. What should we do regarding?
Anytime you see a sale, it's going to be percentages. Half off, 25% off, 30% off.
Sure.
And I don't know if you want to do that now or in a different video.
Cover that in a different video.
Okay.
I'll have better art for that.